Hello everyone, welcome back to new class. So we were doing chapter called Rupee Goes a Long Way. Now we will continue that. Here, okay, Mohinder said, but I don't mind selling it to you 2 rupees. So Mohinder said that I want 2 rupees, then I will sell you this fishing rod. I have got 1 rupee, said Ranji. Ranji said, I have only 1 rupee coin, but it's an old one. The sweet seller would not take it. See, now he is being honest that I have only 1 rupee coin, but it's an old one. Sweet seller said no. That sweet seller would not take it. That sweet seller said no to that coin. Please let me see it, said Mohinder. Mohinder said, just let me see the coin. He took the coin and looked it over. Now he was looking at the coin properly. I don't suppose it's worth much, but my uncle collects old coin. Give it to me and I will give you the rod. Now Mohinder said, see, I know it's worth much. I know it doesn't worth much, but because my uncle has a hobby that he collects old coins, so I will give this old coin to my uncle, and then you just give me and I will give you the fishing rod. All right, said Ranji, happy to make the exchange. Now Ranji said all right, and he was very happy. He took the fishing rod, waved goodbye to Mohinder and set off. Now he has taken the fishing rod and said goodbye to Mohinder. After some time, a truck came along. Ranji knew the driver and waved and shouted to him until he stopped. Now when Ranji was walking on the road, then he saw one truck. And because Ranji knows the truck driver, and he waved at him because he was tired, because he was walking. So he just waved at the driver and then shouted at him so that he can stop the truck. Then he said, will you take me to the river? Ranji asked, I am going fishing. Then he asked the driver that, will you take me to the river because I am tired? And then said, because I'm going to fishing. Climb up in the back, the driver said. The driver said, yes, you can come, just climb up in the back of the truck. Ranji climbed into the back of the open truck. Soon he was watching the road slide away from him. Now Ranji just climbed back into the truck, and see, slide away meaning move away. In a while, the truck stopped near the riverbed. Now Ranji reached at the riverside, and Ranji got down, thanked the river. Now Ranji got down from the truck, and he just thanked the driver. He said, thank you so much, and Ranji and began walking along the bank, and he started walking along the bank river. It was the dry season, and the river was just a shallow muddy stream. Because it was a dry season, it was a summer season, so the river was completely dried up. It has no water. It has become a muddy stream. Ranji walked up and down without finding water deep enough for the smallest fish. Because of the summer season, because that river has no water, the Ranji was not able to fish. He was not able to find a small fish. No wonder Mohinder let me have his rod, he muttered. Now he was like, now I understand why Mohinder has given me this fishing rod so easily. And with a shrug he turned back. Now he turned back. It was a long, hot walk back to the bazaar. Now obviously, because it was a summer season, so it was so difficult to walk back to the bazaar.